What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ENVB for Enveric Biosciences. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame chart, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame chart. Starting off here, because we have not covered this yet on the channel, we'll start from the daily and map out obvious areas of support and resistance, then drill down to the 30-minute perspective. Certainly noticing this jumping off the page at 270 as resistance here. We'll, call that high in there since we're kind of in between ranges there. And then certainly underneath us, this is calling my name here, the gap underneath. If we start trading underneath 231, I would expect it to fill, just shy of 10 cents lower down to 223. So all things considered, are you actually going to short that move there? Absolutely not. Not on something trading sub 5, right? But to the upside, there are some things to watch out for here for the potential breakout. The first one, shifting the attention now to the 30-minute time frame chart, would just be if we can get back over that 270 mark. You can clearly see that we struggled to get any price acceptance higher in these two candles here, and really spent the majority of the day back down lower and into the end of the day rallied. So to me, any price acceptance over 270 breaks this structure, and we should return to the high of Friday, which will just map out as a technical area at 291. On the break of that, as we know, we're looking left here at that prior wick, 314, 315 should act as your next upside target on the break of 291. Obviously, that would take first the acceptance over 270. So the way I would trade this essentially, right, would be if we can move into this range, fine. You're not actually taking that trade here. You're looking for price acceptance, some pattern to be put in, and then boom, the break of 291 to get into that next target. So hopefully that clarified things a bit. If we start trading or, remain trading in this range here, it's even more neutral. It's even more sit on hands. Do not chase this to the upside. And as we discussed, a move under today's low would bring into play the gap fill. In that case, though, that brings up the scenario of the gap fill reversal, right? Something that would look like that. So if we get into 223, start to be on the lookout for hammer candles, indecision dojis, or basically anything that would make you question, is this move here starting to come to an end? Can we flip long over whatever candle highs and get back into some of these areas as targets? That would be the first area. The next area that I would really wait for, and again, patience is key whenever you're dealing with something that has likely started going parabolic, then we're looking at this support trend line, and you're probably saying, that's way out of play. That's never going to happen. But, whenever you're dealing with something parabolic, it's oftentimes that people, it goes places people don't think it can go. It cuts deeper than people think it can cut, and that would be the support trend line. Maybe it coincides with 2, the nice round number, right? So all things considered, you have my thoughts, you have my ideas on potential trades here, and more importantly, the structure to follow as this starts moving forward into next week. So if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.